I'm Youzi. Not use it, but Y-O-U-Z-I. Youzi. Huh. Skipper's up. Hi, buddy. Are you awake? Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Yo.
It's your birthday.
I know.
Gonna come with me to work?
Okay.
Got a surprise for you.
Ew, your mouth stings. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Skipper. Hurry up. I'm in the car. Wow, really? We are going there? This is where the TV talks about. Hey, wait, partner. I'm gonna take a look. Hey, wait, buddy. Wait for me. Come here, clean up. Wow, there's a hottie out there. Hey, pretty. What are you up to?
Oh, hi. I'm doing my morning swing.
Okay, I can take a swim. Let me try. You know what? Forget about this. I'll come back for dinner. Wait for me, Skipper. Hey, I'm coming. Is this where you work? Let's check it out. I'm out of here. All right, don't touch me. Don't. Oh, well, human beings just talk too much, and they have long meeting after meetings, you know? Wow. By the way, are you guys planning my birthday yet?
Down on the ground with the tigers and the boar and stuff. And then the
Hi,
sky.
baby. You're such a cutie. Oh, you're so cute.
Oh, this was quite a dream. Wow, I'm hungry. God, anyone's gonna give me some food. Oh, get out of my face, you little ugly thing. Hey, Skipper, did you forget my cake? Cake.
Audio Jungle.
Oh, I'm tired, hungry.
Audio Jungle.
Hang on. Oh my, look at that. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Audio Jungle.
Wow, to record today, I'm like a superstar. Dress me up in my tuxedo. This is my mode.
Audio Jungle.